What are the different classifications of numbers, and do I need to learn them all? Let's find out together in this video. Types of numbers. There are three types of numbers: real, imaginary, and complex numbers. Imaginary and complex numbers are not discussed in this video, as they are more of an advanced topic, because they involve the square root of negative integers. Watch out for my upcoming videos that covers these topics. To understand the different types of numbers, I am going to introduce the number line. This is a line that extends from minus infinity to plus infinity. Real numbers consist of natural numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole numbers, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Integers, which are -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rational numbers written p over q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Irrational numbers, which are not terminating decimal numbers. All real numbers lie on the number line, as shown below. Rational and irrational numbers lie between the whole numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers need a little more explanation. Rational numbers are fractions of the form p over q. The top number is called the numerator and the bottom is called the denominator. The denominator cannot be 0, because anything divided by 0 is infinity, an unknown number, but a number, which has a definite value. A rational number, which can be represented as a fraction, can also be written as a decimal number, which is the answer after dividing the numerator by the denominator. 3 over 4 is equal to 0.75. 1 over 2 is equal to 0.5. 1 over 4 is equal to 0.25. These are decimal numbers that terminate, and therefore have a definite value. 0.75, 0.753, 0.254 are all definite values, because the digits terminate. In contrast, irrational numbers are decimal numbers that do not terminate and where the digits never repeat to form any pattern. 1 over 3 equals 0.333 is a rational number, because the digits repeat. 1 over 6 equals 0.1666 is a rational number, the digits repeat. However, 22 over 7 equals 3.1415926535889 is irrational, because the digits keep going on and on and on, and never repeat. The square root of 2, the square root of 3, are all irrational numbers, because in their decimal representations, the digits keep going on, and never repeat. Fun fact, pi is represented by 22 over 7. But this is the next closest rational number to pi. A good way to differentiate is to realize rational means makes sense and irrational means makes no sense. If a fraction is converted to its decimal representation, if that representation has a definite value, that is, either the decimal number terminates, digits after the decimal do not keep going on, or the decimal number does not have a definite value, but the digits after the decimal go on in a pattern, then the original fraction and the decimal representation are rational numbers. If that representation does not have a definite value, and the numbers keep going on and never repeat in any pattern, then the original fraction and the decimal representation are irrational numbers. 1 over 4 is equal to 0.25. This is a definite decimal, because after 5 there are no more numbers in the answer. So this is a rational number. 1 over 3 equals 0.33333333. And the 3's keep going on and on. Obviously, this is an indefinite decimal, but the digits repeat in a pattern, so this is also a rational number. for over 3 equals 1.333333. So this too is rational, because the 3's keep repeating in a pattern. 22 over 7 equals 3.141592653. Here the digits keep going on, but they do not repeat in any pattern, and so this an irrational number. Remember, if the digits after the decimal do not repeat, then number is rational. If digits after the decimal repeat in a pattern, the number is rational. If digits after the decimal repeat but randomly, then number is irrational. Thanks for watching. I hope the number system, the number line, rational and irrational numbers, and how to differentiate between rational and irrational number are clear. If you have any questions, watch this video again, or reach out to me in the comments, and I will answer your question. And please, like, share, and subscribe.